Season 2 is a faith-filled journey for anyone who has experienced emotional exhaustion, disappointment, loss, overthinking, unanswered prayers, or seasons of uncertainty. This is more than a playlist, it is a journey. Each episode has been thoughtfully created to guide you from emotional exhaustion toward renewed faith, hope, peace, and healing. If you've ever felt unseen, overwhelmed, discouraged, or uncertain about the future, know that you are not walking this path alone. Life doesn't always unfold the way we expect. Dreams change, relationships shift, unexpected challenges arise, and sometimes we quietly wonder how to move forward. This playlist was created to remind you that even in life's most difficult moments, God is still present, still working, and still writing your story. Through reflective storytelling, biblical wisdom, heartfelt encouragement, and practical insights, each episode explores a different aspect of emotional and spiritual healing. Whether you are searching for peace, renewed hope, or the strength to keep moving forward, these messages are designed to encourage your heart and strengthen your faith. Videos are posted weekly. I encourage you to watch the episodes in order, because each one builds upon the last. Together, they tell a story of restoration. In this series, you will discover how to find purpose when life doesn't go as planned, breaking free from emotional overload and overthinking, healing after emotional pain and disappointment, trusting God during seasons of silence and waiting, rediscovering hope after difficult experiences, finding lasting joy after emotional exhaustion. If today's message encourages you, consider watching the entire playlist in order. Each episode builds upon the previous one, creating a journey from weariness to restoration, from uncertainty to hope, and from emotional fatigue to renewed faith. Subscribe to Spring to Health with Yvon for weekly encouragement, Christian inspiration, emotional healing, senior wellness, and practical wisdom for everyday life. Remember, your story is not over. Your heart can heal. And with God's help, every season can become part of a greater purpose.